Some Bay Area wineries hit hard by recent wildfires are now hit with another problem: more expensive or possibly no insurance coverage. Last September's glass fire blackened more than 67,000 acres and destroyed hundreds of homes and businesses. Among them, nearly 3 dozen wineries in Napa County alone.
Hi, this is Hugh Davies.
Hugh Davies, owner of Schramsberg Vineyards, was among the lucky ones. The glass fire burned all around his 230-acre property near Calistoga.
We were able to make it through the fire with all of our buildings intact, and life goes on. We're thankful very much for that.
But this year, along with the threat of more devastating wildfires, has come the skyrocketing cost of insurance. Or worse, the possibility an insurance carrier drops you altogether.
In some of these rural areas that have been visited by fires recently, we have a real challenge of being able to afford fire insurance or even secure it.
Davies says his policy, which he locked into months ago, jumped from $200,000 up to $800,000, while his deductible skyrocketed from $25,000 to $500,000. In addition to that, the insurance company dropped what it would cover to just 20% of the value of his buildings. Nick Svetcoff, a broker with Risk Strategies in Burlingame, an insurance broker that specializes in coverage for wineries, says huge multi-million-dollar payouts to high-end wineries were as rare as some of the pricey wine that's being produced. But the destructive and deadly fires of the past 4 years changed all that, and premiums simply can't cover the losses.
What's happened is our program, as well as a number of other carriers, have withdrawn from the market and just said, sorry, we don't want to do this anymore. It's too risky.
Leaving some wineries to either go without coverage if they can or purchase more limited and more expensive insurance. Svetcoff says not every winery is going to lose their insurance, but because of the fires in the past 4 years, companies started mapping out risk, percentages, and location.
The address was mapped, and it was determined as to whether it was an acceptable location or it wasn't, depending on what was the proximity to a forest of trees, how far away were you from a fire station, what kind of fire mitigation efforts did you have on your property.
Fire mitigation didn't help Hugh Davies save money on his insurance, but he says all the work they did last year made a huge difference in saving his winery from the glass fire, and they're working even harder this year.
We have redoubled those efforts and continued to clear the underbrush in proximity to our buildings and to create a larger defensible space.
Nick Svetkoff says the California so-called FAIR Plan, which is the state-sponsored backup insurance program some homeowners now make use of for their emergency coverage, was just altered 4 months ago to exclude the wineries. There's now a bill pending in Sacramento to restore emergency coverage for wineries as soon as possible.